Can pulling an all-nighter mess with your hearing test? Lack of sleep doesn't change your ears directly, but it slows your brain in response to sound. That means during a hearing test, you might miss faint tones or react slower, making your results look worse than they really are. Fatigue can also raise stress hormones, which may cause temporary changes in inner ear sensitivity. A good night's rest help your hearing test show your true ability to hear. Schedule your hearing test after a full night's sleep and get accurate results. Book your free hearing test at hearsapp.com today.